the Sprinkles Balancing Face Toner with pH 2.5. So this toner is perfect for people with acne skin because it is acidic, hence it has antimicrobial properties that is good to cleanse the pores as well as tighten the skin. So what you can do is you can spray directly on the face, or you can even spray on a cotton pad and then you wipe it all over your face. Another trick is to do a toner masking technique, which is to spray a lot of the toner on the cotton pad until it's very soaked and place it at your acne areas. So this will give it like extra concentrated effect on the acne, and you leave that for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so after toner is you put your own moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. So now I'm going to go offline and I'm going to put on my own moisturizer. Bye!
A few moments later.
So after I'm well moisturized, I'm going to go to the next step, which is spraying my face with the Refreshing Face Mist with pH 6. So this spray not only helps balance the pH levels on your skin, but it also provides deep hydration to your skin, as well as helping to reduce wrinkles. So I'm going to spray this now on my face. And you can actually spray this whenever you feel like your skin needs additional hydration boost. Even when you're outside, when you wear all your makeup, you can even spray it on top of makeup just to make sure your face is looking fresh and hydrated.